Hey everyone, I'm Chris Young with Enritsu. We are in our demo room here in Elk Grove Village. It's about 10 minutes outside of O'Hare in beautiful Illinois. What we have in front of us here is a 7534 bulk hopper, is what we call it. And this is coming out of our assembly program. So specifically, we want to show you some of the sizing of the hopper. So if we kind of look here, we will see that the hopper does have a pretty good angle to it, so you could have product fall in by itself. You could be feeding things in here. It does have a pretty big opening. So I guess for the camera, the size opening is about 440-ish wide, or in direction of travel, and about 470 wide. And then as you'll notice though, it does taper down to a fairly shallow opening here. And that opening size is about 90 millimeters tall. Okay, so the advantage of this type of solution is you can see, we'll open up the doors, the product will come in, it doesn't touch any curtains or anything else. It's fully shielded externally by the elevation changes. So as we open this up, we'll see the product will pass through, past plates. We can also install some guides here to have a cupped belt. But it'll pass through, and then on the outfeed side, it'll go off and then either go to like a chute or a retract reject, but again, completely touchless, just rides on the belt unobstructed. So there is no issues about contamination from curtains. And of course, you don't have to worry about any reject timing. It all just flows through seamlessly. Nice thing about this unit is that I can still pull out the door. So that will allow me to have access to pull the belting right off. I can clean everything, break it all down without tools. And even on the hopper side here, I can lift this up. There's a nice handle right here, and there's kind of a grab in the back, and it's pinned. So you can see there are pins here, but I can lift this right up. You can see the pin slots, but now you have access to everything for cleaning. This front door opens up as well. So very easy to use, clean, sanitize. It is on a bit of a ball catch.
There we go.
Okay, and the belt will just tilt up. Okay, so once I pull the door off, the belt will come right out the front. I can even lift these tails off, pull the rollers out. So very easy to clean and sanitize and use. Clean it all up, just reassemble it again, and off you go. So very flexible unit, again, coming out of our local assembly here in Elk Grove Village. Thank you.